I'm going to show you how to use PAAL Coach to move from vague intentions to clear, consistent progress. Most of us have goals we care about, but we bounce between ideas, to-do lists, and distractions, and so it's hard to stick with the structure. PAAL Coach gives you a simple loop, a clear plan, focused goals, concrete actions, and quick reflections, so you keep moving forward on what matters most. PAAL is a simple structure for purposeful progress: plan, areas, achievements, actions, logs. Here's what they mean. Your plan is the big thing you're working on. Areas are the life domains that matter to you, like career, relationships, and community. Achievements are specific goals under your plan. Actions are the concrete tasks you can actually do next. And logs are quick reflections on what you did and what you learned. PAL Coach keeps all of this organized and guides you through it step by step. First, you start with your plan. You tell PAL Coach what you're working on. For example, create an agent that helps users develop their purpose and build a PAL aligned plan. The coach saves this as your active plan, so everything else you do connects back to this core focus. Next, you keep your key areas in view. These might be things like career, relationships, and community, the domains where you want to grow and contribute. You can review or adjust these areas so that when you look at your goals and tasks, they're grounded in what actually matters in your life, not just random busy work. Then you choose or set an achievement, a specific goal inside your plan. PAL Coach makes sure you always have at least one achievement marked in progress. That means there's always a clear goal you're actively working on, not just thinking about. For example, design the end-to-end PAL user journey, or develop a simple onboarding flow for new users. Now you turn goals into actions. For each achievement, the coach helps you define concrete next steps, like develop a 3-minute video explaining how to use PAL Coach, or draft the outline of the PAL user journey stages. You can add details and due dates, and the coach keeps these actions tied to the right goal, so you always know what to do next. When you complete an action, you don't just check it off. You log a quick reflection. You might capture what you did, what worked, what you learned, and any blockers you hit. PAL Coach stores these as logs, so your progress has a memory. Over time, you're not just getting things done, you're learning how you work best. So as a user, your part is simple. You tell PAL Coach what you're trying to achieve. That's your plan and your achievements. What you will do next, those are your actions. What happened and what you learned, that's your logs. The coach keeps everything organized, ensures you always have at least one active goal, and helps you turn intention into the next concrete step. You don't need to understand the whole structure to begin. Just start by telling PAL Coach one goal you care about right now, and it will guide you through building your plan, choosing your next action, and reflecting as you go. That's how you use PAL Coach to make purposeful progress one clear step at a time.